This dishwasher, this is an LG dishwasher. I've never sold one before, but I hear it's guaranteed to get the demons off your dishes. What you won't want to do is install it like this, unless, actually that works quite well. Just automatically opens.
Hello, I am Energy Efficiently Skinny, and today on 3 Minutes Gone, we are installing a dishwasher.
And that's 3 minutes gone.
So, true story, heading into the Thanksgiving weekend, the oven dies, and then on the Friday, just before all the feasting and everything, the dishwasher dies. So now it's time to replace it. Now, my least favorite part of all these projects is that nothing just ever quite works the first time. And immediately following that is that for this one, I've got to go into my crawl space. Now, the first part you're greeted with is some sort of foam that looks like someone's been trying to claw their way out, and some sort of scary Christmas clown. This is what disturbs me about the downstairs. There's a few of these where it's like a hole with like sand on the inside. And all I can think of is the movie Tremors.
Nope, just one.
At some point I'm gonna go past one of these things and some like fingerless thing is gonna reach out and grab me. Check for enormous human-sized spiders. Every time I'm down here, it's like every stupid teenage horror movie comes to mind. All right, the old one's out. Time for the new one to go in. So that part of the install is done. Now to hook up all the plumbing and electrical. I was made for small spaces. Hello, and today on the Dungeon Channel, let me tell you about my crawl space. Help me. Get me out of here. That is one dishwasher installed and working, no leaks. I am Skinny. 3 minutes gone.
And that's 3 minutes gone.